Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pair your Apple Watch to a different iPhone. First, you need to unpair your watch from your old iPhone. Open the Watch app, tap All Watches, then the small eye icon next to your watch. Select Unpair Apple Watch and enter your Apple ID password to disable activation lock. If you have a cellular model, decide whether to keep or remove your plan. This process also creates a backup of your watch data. Before pairing, let's prepare your devices for a smooth transition. Make sure both your Apple Watch and your new iPhone are charged to at least 50%. It's also crucial to update both devices to their newest software versions for optimal compatibility. Confirm that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your new iPhone, and keep the two devices near each other throughout the process. Now let's pair your watch with your new iPhone. Turn on your Apple Watch and put it on your wrist. Hold your new iPhone close to the watch. A pairing screen should appear automatically. Tap Continue on your iPhone, then use its camera to scan the animation on your watch. If the camera doesn't work, you can choose to pair manually. Once connected, you'll decide whether to restore from a backup or set up as new. After pairing, you'll finalize the setup. If you chose to restore, select your most recent backup to transfer all your data and settings. Follow the on-screen prompts to customize preferences like wrist orientation and passcode. Remember to re-enable services such as Apple Pay and any cellular plans. It might take some time for all your data, especially health and activity information, to fully sync to your watch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.